Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, trim the dense base and tear the mushroom into 1 to 2 inch clusters so they hold texture. Once done, pat them dry to avoid steaming, toss with 1 tablespoon oil and a pinch of salt to promote browning. Heat a heavy skillet to medium-high, about 190 degrees to 200 degrees Celsius, and add 1 tablespoon butter plus oil. Place clusters in a single layer. Don't crowd the pan because even contact is what gives you that golden crust and savory depth. Once the first side is golden, flip and sear the other side for about 3 to 4 minutes. Consistent contact yields a meaty, brown surface. Make sure to add minced garlic or shallot in the last minute so it flavors without burning, and lower heat slightly if browning too fast. When you see those brown bits, fond, deglaze with 1 to 2 teaspoons lemon juice or a tablespoon of wine to dissolve flavor into the pan, which enhances umami and prevents dryness. Finish by tossing the mushrooms with a small knob of butter, fresh herbs, and a squeeze of lemon to brighten flavors and add gloss. Serve immediately while hot. If you want extra crispness, spread on a tray and crisp in a 200 degrees Celsius oven for 3 to 5 minutes. Make sure to store leftovers cool and airtight. If the texture turned rubbery, don't panic. Return them to dry heat or brief broil to firm up. Avoid covering tightly or steaming, which causes limpness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.